is a demolition going on behind Coach Chari's motor. Oh yeah. In real estate, we advise people to do their due diligence before they acquire a property. This kind of thing can happen to anybody if you buy a land that is already committed. So before you make your payment, before you buy any land, before you make any acquire any property, make sure you do your due diligence through the right sources, through the right source. These structures are people's hard-earned money. Buildings that have been standing for over 4 years, over 3 years. Be wise and make your investments in the right place. Make your findings before you invest your money anywhere. That is why we call on people to invest more in estate plan, because when you invest in estate plan, you don't get all of this. Before we put any land in the market, we make our due diligence. We make findings of every single thing that need to be known. So that is why we call on people to invest through our properties.